Thinking about working in Seychelles? You'll need the right work permit. The Gainful Occupation Permit, GOP, is for employees hired by a Seychelles-based employer. It lasts 1 to 3 years and stays tied to that job and employer. The self-employment permit covers entrepreneurs, consultants, or independent professionals. It requires a business plan, investment proof, and evidence that your work benefits Seychelles. Temporary permits cover short-term assignments with tight limits on duration and scope. For a GOP, the employer must sponsor you, show they couldn't find a suitable local candidate, and provide the job description and contract. You must submit a valid passport, education papers, work references, police clearance, and health reports. If approved, you may bring dependents such as a spouse, children under 18, or adult children in full-time study. Some can work, but often need their own permit. You must follow employment rules, keep your documents current, renew on time, and maintain your sponsor's support. Any gaps can affect your status. Working in Seychelles offers a great lifestyle and strong career options. Just stay fully authorized and prepared.